Fine. Let us start. So, good evening, everyone. Online team, can you hear me? Yeah. So, 1 minute. Is it working? Okay. Thank you. Now, running notes 41, 29. The topic name is called as a. What is the topic name? You know, sir? Yeah. So, handling missing values. Good. Data frame handling missing values. That's the topic. 29th. Let us specify here always the current topic actually. Current topic. Pandas. Data frame. Missing values. Good. Loading the different files, attributes, renaming, in place parameter. Can I close this one? So talk with me. Can I close? Yeah. Running this topic. So boss, very, very important. So please make a note. Very, very important. Please focus on this. Yeah. What is upcoming topic? You know, boss? The upcoming topic will be. Any idea? I hope LOC and ILOC. The topic name is LOC and ILOC. Upcoming topic. We'll see. My guess never miss. Handling missing value selection LOC ILOC. Good. We'll see one by one. So today topic name is a 12 actually. Come on, sir. Prior to this one, we have covered a topic. Topic name is called as the in place parameter. What is the topic name? In place parameter. And prior to this one, we have covered one more topic. Topic name is a renaming. Good. Can somebody read the topic number 9? Yeah, method. Now let me tell you, sir. Even topic number 10, we covered method topic only. We covered what topic? But what is the method name? Tell me. Rename method means in methods, head method, small topic, tail method, small topic, info method, small topic, but rename, not a small topic, which is a real-time scenario you need to understand. That's what I done, What are all important methods? I made it separate topic. I made it what exactly? Separate topic. Keep in mind that. Are you clear? Good. Next one will be handling missing values also. 3 methods we are going to cover. How many methods? So keep in mind that data science means playing with the methods, man. Playing with what exactly? By this time, if you don't know what is a method definition, how to create a method, only God's supposed to save you actually. Are you clear? I mean to say that we already done the discussion. Method where we can create. Very good. Inside class. How to access a method? By using how to create an object with help of class name. Am I right or not? Good, very good. Now the final call. Online team, can you hear me? Is my voice is clear? Very good evening, Arati. Not sure. I'm not sure. Let me check with the online team. Let me check with the team actually. There is a one small concern. Boss, even I'm not sure the what might be the reason. I'm just a trainer actually, but I can help you. I can forward this message with the admin team actually. What about others? If anyone registered with the online session, like a recorded actually, is everyone is getting recorded sessions? Anyway, at end of the say, kindly remind me one more time. I will update to admin. End of the session, kindly please remind me. Good. All right. Now, in this topic, what I have explained, so whenever you are loading the, first of all, we need to load a CSV file, either a CSV file, Excel file, JSON file. These are all files we need to load. Am I right or not, sir? Whenever you are loading, it is returning data frame. It is returning what exactly? Now, let us hold here sometime. Wait here. When I'm talking about the data frame having mainly forget about data. I mean, when I'm talking about the data frame having mainly name of the columns, what it is having actually columns names actually. Next one is index, next one is what exactly index, next one is the data. So the order of my document will be, forget about the data as of now. Let us understand this one, how to play with this one, how to change name of the columns, how to change index actually. Did you understand the pattern what I'm explaining? Yeah, slowly by slowly I will enter into the data also. I will enter into what exactly all these operations separately one by one I'm covering. If you wanted to change the name of the column, assuming that name of the column is something like a I wanted to change into B actually, we can change. What we need to do, create a dictionary. There are two ways. There are how many ways? Two ways. First one by using, oh, seriously, rename method. Second one by using attribute. Second one by using attribute. Come on, repeating again. We can change the name of the column by in a two ways actually. First one by using rename method. Yes, for rename method dictionary is required. What is required? Next one is columns attribute. Next one is what exactly? I hope you no need to explain much actually. Why? Because we already covered. Index also same. Two ways. First one is a rename method. Second one index attribute. What attribute? Index attribute. Good. And next one is the in place parameter. What is the next one? Sir, damn sure interview question, sir. Please. Damn sure interview question actually. Very, very important. Please focus on this one. Now let me tell you. Whenever you are calling rename method, what rename method will do you know? First of all, before calling rename method, we do have a old data frame. We do have what exactly? Old data. Whenever you are calling rename method, it creates a new data frame. It creates what exactly? Assuming that old data frame size is 1000 GB. Old data frame size is what exactly? Just because of column name A to B, one more 1000 GB created in your laptop. One more 1000 GB created in what exactly? Aribos data is the change. Data is the same. Just a small change you done. Because of that small change, new data frame created. What created actually? New data frame created. Instead of that, I don't want to create a new data frame. I wanted to perform operations on the old data frame only. I don't want to create a new data frame. I wanted to perform operations on old data frame only. Then what we need to do is any idea? In place parameter. What parameter? In place means replace new data frame. In place means what exactly? Replace new data frame with old data frame. Can somebody tell me? Replace new data frame with old data frame. Are you getting? All right. Now let us enter into the discussion. After that, I have given nice introduction about the missing value. Good. Now let me help you. What do you mean by missing value? Missing value. Sir, uh, during data collection, during data collection, during data collection, data can be missed. Data can be what exactly, sir? Miss. So, frankly speaking, this is very common scenario. This what exactly, sir? Very common scenario. Now let me tell you. Once you loaded the data set, Once you loaded the data set, the very first operation in real time, check how many missing values would you have. Tell me one more time. Check how many missing. Hey, you might have seen in your childhood missing dog. Am I right or not, sir? Same thing like that. You know, there is a dog is missing, and they started keep wall stick papers. Actually, am I right or not, sir? Here also, when the data is missing, there may be a chance. You know, so back in the empty values would you have? What values would you have? Missing values representation form is what exactly? Any idea? Yeah, it is representing with NaN. NaN. NaN means one more time. Last time. What is the data type, sir? Keep in mind that these are all points are important before we are moving on to the next example. Actually, let's move to the discussion. So we are all in the flow. I can definitely help you. I will give you an example. Kindly please wait, sir. Okay, good. Now just try to come here. The full form of NaN is not a number. The purpose of NaN is to represent the missing values in a data. The purpose of NaN is what exactly? To represent the missing values in a data actually. Once we have taken the best example, sir, you got a job. Monday is your joining. You joined in company. HR have collected all your documents. They assigned. They mapped with the project. Now project started. What started? Project started. Then definitely team discussion. What discussion? Team discussion related to the project. Related to what exactly? Project actually. Then team will give one file. Assuming that team have given a CSV file. Team have given what exactly? Once team has given a CSV file, you should not ask a question, what I need to do with this file. Once team has given a file, the very first step is what exactly? Load the file. What is the first step? Once we are loading, what we are going to get? Data frame. See, what type of the domain, what type of file they are giving, that doesn't matter. First of all, load the file. What we need to do? Sir, once with your eyes, if you are seeing the data frame, man, you can apply a lot of operation. Now, team no need to explain. You can explain to the team. Ari boss, we have given so and so data, these many rows, these many columns, these are all information, these are all. That's the beauty with the data frame actually. You no need to understand what kind of data, but once loaded actually, now you are the hero. You can explain step by step actually. Are you getting what I'm saying? Good, let me drink water. Yeah, once you loaded the data, good. Now immediately the second operation is check the missing values. What is the second operation? Checking the missing value. Good. Today that is a topic actually. Handling missing values. The full form of NaN is not a number. The purpose of NaN is to represent what exactly, sir? Missing values. The data type of NaN is a float. We already read this one. While loading CSV file, if file having missing values, then it will consider like what exactly? Till now, I'm not sure how many files I have shared with you. Sales 1, sales 3, sales 31. Am I right? These are all files, every cell having the data. These are all file, every cell having what exactly? Data. Now today, I'm going to load the data. That data, when I'm talking about the data, the file having missing values. File having what exactly? Yes, of course you can load the data. Whenever you are loading the data, it returns data frame. It returns what exactly? Sir, this data frame having the missing value. Missing values backend, it is representing with NaN. Missing values backend, it is representing with what exactly? NaN. I will show you practical. Now, yes, very good. Client have given the file. We loaded the data. Then data frame created. You are able to identify so and so missing values would you have. What would you have? Missing values would you have. It's a right time. You should know how to handle missing value. It's a right time. You should know what exactly? How to handle missing value. What do you mean by handle? I will tell you. Now, just try to see. Assuming that, let us take a two domains, like a class teacher started collecting students marks. Students what exactly, sir? Marks. Let us take a one student as of now. Student marks actually. Assuming this is the first student, first subject 35, I'm sorry. Second subject 40. Third subject, student didn't came for exam, sir. It is okay. Is it mandatory? Yeah, good. Yeah, it's a mandatory, but assuming that this is a unit test actually. What test? Not a public exam actually, right? When I was doing MCA, exactly fourth exam, I didn't remember, sir. Fourth exam, I got a typhoid fever, man. I got what exactly? Frankly speaking, I thought I can skip actually. Just unknowingly, I went, I spent actually. One of my friend have given a slip actually. I simply written the exam. Are you getting? That's a very common, sir. See, I came from your position only. I know how to copy very well. What is that one, sir? In my career, let me tell you the fact actually. There is a basically I'm from BSc, BSc General, MCA. BSc after what I have done, MCA. Sir, you can't believe. In my career, there is a lab actually, computer lab. Hello World program also I didn't execute it, sir. Frankly speaking. But now I'm teaching the data science actually. So I'm not going in different direction. The point is, previously what you studied doesn't matter, sir. Frankly speaking, doesn't matter at all. But now how much good commitment you are having really matters actually. Come on, there are total 4 subjects. Hold on. I would like to say subject number 1, subject number 2, subject number 3, subject number 4. In 10th class total, how many subjects, sir? Yeah, good. Now this is what exactly, 33. Not 33, 37. This is what exactly? Let me take something like 89 actually. Good. Teacher started collecting student marks. Teacher started collecting what exactly? Student mark. Teacher came across, this is the unit test actually. This is what exactly? Unit test. It is okay. Then definitely in a Sarkar schools especially, there is a kind of, what exactly? Inspection. What is that one? Inspection. I'm not sure you heard about this one or not exactly. Every month, superior will comes and they will cross verify how many students are having how many marks, what is the student performance, what is the faculty performance. These are all things actually. Student performance depend upon, exactly, student perform depend upon faculty. Sir, am I right or not? Good. Now what this teacher done, Arey man, definitely this month ending there is a inspection. No, you do let me know here what is the value. N means not a number, missing value actually. Now this teacher can fill, can fill with, can fill with. Actually, she's supposed to fill with what exactly? 0. Am I right? And assuming that teacher is a so mercy like me, like a so mercy actually, then what teacher will think, anyway, end of the day, if superior have seen this kind of marks actually, superior will give left and right to me, faculty. Then instead of that, let me give what is the score, 35. Why 35? Pass. Very good, sir. Now this is called as a handling missing value. This is called as what exactly? Handling missing value. Keep in mind that we have collected the data. Once you collected the data, there is a missing value. There is what exactly? Missing value. Hold on some time. Then it's a right time you need to understand how to handle this missing value. How to, what is the actual value is supposed to provide? 0. You can provide 0 or you can still provide what exactly? 35. Now let me tell you, sometimes 0 you should not provide. Sometimes what exactly? 0 you should not provide. On which term, let us take kind of some people ages. People what exactly? People age collecting by government actually for election. For what exactly, sir? Election in Andhra. Basically, I'm from Andhra. Election started, sir. Right. Good. Assuming that these are all population. These are all what exactly? Population actually. And person number 1, person number 2, person number 3, person number 4. Assuming that they started collecting age actually. First person age will be 16 always. Second person age will be 18. Third person age will be 20. Next person missing actually. Now you do let me know. What exactly, sir? Enough. Let us take a 45. Let us take what exactly? Can I say this person is not available? But still in water list name is available. Then, age. What is that one actually? NAN. Can I fill with the 0? No. Yeah, hold on. Can I fill here with the 0? Yes. Can I here fill with the 0? That's what today we are going to understand. Where we can fill with the right value. Where we can fill with what exactly? Right value we are going to. Team, are you getting? Very interesting, sir. Topic will be very interesting and more fun actually. Online team, I need a small response, sir. Are you getting what I'm saying? How are you guys after a long time? Let me look at you actually. Hmm. How are you? Just I'm kidding. Tarini, Sneha. Hey, come on. How are you guys? Sheila, Sriram sir, Srikant. All right, good. Thank you for nice response. Let us move on. Come on, quickly. Based on this scenario, we need to learn how to handle missing value. Yeah, good. During data analysis, we need to handle what exactly? Missing value. For example, the theory you can ignore, later I can cover. NON and NAN. Sir, NONE is different compared with NN actually. Come on. Now, when I'm talking about the Python, empty value representation, what is that one actually? Empty value representation is nothing but a NONE. Come on, what is that one? NONE. What is the data type actually? None type. Very, very important. When I'm talking about the pandas, yes, I would like to say missing value. What is that one? Previously, empty value. Lot of difference. Now come here. What exactly? NAN. What is the data type actually? Oh, sorry, man. Data type is what exactly? Float. Keep in mind that. Very, very important discussion. None is a Python object which is holding nothing. NAN is a pandas related object which is representing. Did you understand? Good. During interview, assuming that today is the interview panel. During interview, they will ask, explain about none. Explain about what exactly? Then you have to cross question. Which none? Python none or pandas none? You have to ask a question actually. Guys, are you getting or not, sir? Good. Let's move on. Creating it. Get ready, sir. Get ready. I'm sure by this time you should know. Sir, is the room is filled with perfume or what exactly? Room spray. Good. Creating data frame. Now I'm going to load the file. What is the file name actually? Fruits.csv. Tell me. Now get ready. Let us just try to load the file. Get ready. Get ready. Come on, interesting. Import pandas as pd. Df equals to pd dot read underscore. What is the file name actually? Fruits1.csv file. Good. Now print of df. Print of what exactly, sir? Get ready. Let us just try to access this file. Sir, by this time you should know this example, right? How to write actually. Now let us just try to run this one. If I am running this one, what is output? Very good. If I am running this example, you will get an error. That error name is called as a file not found error. Why? Tell me. Because file is now. You should know the reason. Here onwards, every error, whenever you are getting error, you should know the reason actually. Come on. Yeah, exactly. Here we are getting file not found error because file is not available. Because what is not available? File is not available. Now go back, pull the file, fruits.csv. Copy. Now place inside in programs folder. Now, first of all, let us open this one. Let us open this one. Assuming that during Corona, I hope everyone knows about Corona, right? Do I need to explain? Not which year actually? 20? 20. Get ready how to guide that one towards your grandchildren actually. Good. I came across, I'm working as a software engineer that work from home actually. During Corona, I wanted to help to the people. I started a small business which is called as a fruit stall. What is that one actually? Fruit stall. Good. So there are mainly three fruits actually. The first one is what exactly? Apple, orange, banana. Why fruits, sir? Tell me. During Corona. Nice man. You guys knows actually. Am I right? Yeah, good. I was attacked 2 times actually. I was attacked with the Corona 2 times. First time I didn't feel what is that one, sir? Taste I feel actually, but smell. Yeah, symptoms. First time I didn't feel smelling symptom actually. But I have eaten like anything, man. మామూలుగానే లావుగా ఉంటాను నేను. I mean to say that already I'm a fat guy actually. During Corona I became. I'm sorry for kidding. Are you clear? Good man. Fine. Now just try to come here. The first one is basket ID. What is the first one? Assuming that one customer came to my fruit stall. And there are how many fruits? Do let me know, sir. Three fruits actually: apple, orange, banana. This person, he is taking one basket and he kept almost nine apples. What is that one? Nine apples. Orange he didn't take in. Do I need to force? Man, you have to take orange. Do I need to force? I mean to say that it is okay. He's not taking. Next one is what exactly? Banana. Very good. I would like to say this customer is liking what exactly? Apple and orange. Though he is not taking, I can still say he may not like what exactly, sir? Orange. Very good. There is a second customer, maybe a very good customer. Why? Because he is buying all fruits actually. What is the first one? Apples 12 dozen, orange dozen, banana half dozen. Can I say there is a missing value here? No. Very good. Can I say there is a missing value here? Now you have to tell me this value is representing with what exactly? NaN. These two values are representing with what exactly? Very good, sir. Now get ready. Get ready. Nice. Hey, like this, how many would you have? Come here, come here. 150, sir. What is this one actually? But why 151? Very good. Header is not countable. Tell me, header is not countable. Hold on. Let's delete these raw stuff. Move on to the discussion. One minute, sir. Pandas 3.0. Hold on. Give me 1 minute time. Morning, I have tried to install Pandas. Pip show Pandas. Did I install Pandas 3.0 actually? 2.2. There is a small warning. Don't worry regarding this one actually, but let me fix. Come here. Give me one time. I will tell you the reason. Come here. Now let us just have to go back. Release older version I wanted to install. 2023 November, December. This is okay. Let me just try to install this version. We'll see. I will tell you. Pip uninstall pandas. What it is telling, whenever you are working with the pandas, it is asking, it is forcing us to install one more library. I don't want to install as of now, but still I can help you. Why we need that one? These are all. One day I wanted to cover this wheel file also during machine learning. We'll see. Come on, come on, come on. If you wanted to install specific version of pandas, pip install pandas double equals to specify the name of the version. Specify what exactly? Name of the version. I will tell you later. These are all not required for you as of now. Now run this one. All right. Mallikarjun, I hope you also get the same, right? We'll see later. Good. Let's move on. One of student already got the same error actually. Come on. Sir, exactly. Do let me know orange. What is the value? Missing value. And next one is what exactly? In a third customer, he didn't buy what exactly, sir? Orange, and he didn't buy what exactly? Banana. Now, conclusion of the story. There is a CSV file. Yes, we are loading the CSV file. Whenever we are opening the CSV file, it is representing with the Excel file. It is representing with what exactly? Here, I would like to say data is missing. Here, I would like to say data is what exactly? Missing. One more point. Whenever you are filling any online application, first name, last name, second name, these are all things. Am I right or not, sir? Star symbol indicates to mandatory field. No star symbol indicates to optional. Optional field backend representing with missing value. Optional field backend representing with what exactly? Missing value. Backend it will store with NaN. Backend it will store with what exactly? NaN. Very good. Now just try to come here. Here NaN would you have? Sir, can I ask a question? Get ready. Here what is the value? 9. But why we got 9.0? Yeah, I hope you understand. Let us take a apple. Let us take this orange. Here the value is the 12. Why we are getting dot zero, because at least one value is nan in the given column. If at least one value it is having none, actually no doubt at all it is converting into what exactly? Floating data type. What data type? Did you understand? Good, man. Online team, I hope you're getting, sir. No worries, that is not error. First of all, that is a warning actually. Good, all right. Now take this example. I have to kindly please update me. Today I need to upload fruits1.csv file also. What file actually? Fruits1.csv file. Good. Yeah. We can create a data frame by loading the CSV file. The given fruits.csv file having missing value. Kindly observe missing values in the data frame. Kindly observe what exactly, sir? Missing values in the data frame. Good, cool. Now total. Yeah, come on, sir. Let us play with the data frame. I just wanted to know total how many rows and columns. Nice, man. Run this example. What is the result? Yeah, now you need to understand 150 customers. How many? 150. Am I right or not, sir? 150 customers came to the market actually. See, sometimes not only technical, domain perspective also you need to understand. Assuming that a kind of some, a fruits stall actually. Total 150 customer basket IDs would you have actually. Are you guys getting or not, sir? Good. Keep in mind that. Now I just wanted to know top 5 rows, sir. Let me ask you one question. What is output? Very good. Nice, man. I wanted to know top 5 rows. Head method. Last 5 rows. Information. DF dot what exactly? Info actually. Good, good. You guys are preparing very nicely. Let us move to the discussion. Hold on here sometime. Good. Frankly speaking, this is info method is literally will give nice idea. Now, take this example. Whenever you are calling info method, it is giving so and so result. It is giving what exactly, sir? So and so result. What kind of result it is giving, Now, let us just try to capture this result. Now, observe here actually. Very good, sir. Good. Now, I would like to say it is related to the data frame. Total 150 rows actually. Total how many columns? 4 columns. Why 4? Only 3 fruits only, right? And order ID. What is that one? Come on, you should remember that one. I would like to say, have you seen the data frame? 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I right or not? Column index is not countable actually. Header is not countable. Index is not countable. Are you getting? Good, man. Very good. Very good. Let's move on. What I'm discussing. Yeah, come on, come on. Hold on. Now total do let me know out of what exactly? 150. Yeah, order ID 150. Can I say no missing value? Very good. No missing value. No missing value. Here, how many missing values? Any idea? How many missing values? That too, what is this one? Apples. You know what? Apple having 16 missing values. Can I say that? Means 150 customers entered into my stall. 16 customers didn't touch the apple. That point you need to understand. Are you getting? Yeah. 134 customers, they bought an apple actually. Good. Do let me know what is the next one. Same thing for what exactly? Oranges. Same thing for what exactly? Oranges. Instead of here apple, what I need to write, sir? Orange. Good. Very good. Now, what is the next one actually? Any idea? Banana. Hold on. This kind of information you need to understand. This is called as a data analysis. This is called as what exactly, sir? Data analysis. Do let me know. 129. How many missing values? 20. Now you have to understand. Customers are not liking what exactly? Banana. Next time onwards, I need to stop. I need to reduce banana import actually. Did you understand? This is what you need to understand, sir. Slowly by slowly. Are you getting or not? Good. Let's move on. Slowly by slowly, we'll understand. These are all information. See, physically, without touching the data set, I'm not opening the data set, but by applying the operation, we are able to understand, okay, what is the data? Sir, this is the data actually. We are indirectly playing with the data. That's what you need to understand. Are you getting your one? Good. Let me ask a question. Why it? Okay, hold on. Hey man, yeah, this is the float. This is the float. This is the float. These are all. How many floats actually? 3. Can somebody tell me why it is not a float actually? Nice, sir. No missing value. What is that one? No missing value. Means customers came. Once they came, actually, there is no point of representing with what exactly? Missing value representation. Did you understand? Now, what is the today topic? Data science, right? Handling missing value. Handling what exactly? Missing value. Good. Mm. Game started actually. Yeah, good. Now, one of the best way is you can call info method. You can call what exactly? Info method. And this is the output observation. This we have to spend some time and we have to understand actually. It is okay. Hey, Daniel, do you have any specific method? Do you have what exactly? Any specific method to handle the missing value? Right. Now, hold on. Just try to come here. Sir, whenever you are learning missing value topic, what topic actually? Missing value topic actually. The first step is load the data set. Load what exactly? Load the data set. Then indirectly it creates what exactly? Data frame. And immediately second step, checking the missing value. Checking what exactly? Missing values. Check the missing value. How we can check missing values, by using isNA method. By using what exactly? IsNA. Or one more method we do have, is null. But isNA we are using in a real time. Come on, I'm repeating one more time. Once you loaded the data frame, once you loaded the data set, we'll get a data frame, man. We'll get what exactly? Data frame. Info method, it will give complete overview. Complete what exactly? Overview. But I don't want to touch the info method as of now. Is there like a, to rename the column name, would you have a rename method? Would you have what method? Rename method. To get the top 5 rows, would you have a method? To get the last 5 rows, would you have a method? Same thing like that. I just wanted to check missing values. Do we have any specific method? Would you have a method, sir? What is the method name? Is NA method. What is the method name? Is NA method. Now just try to see. Yeah. Step number 2, checking the missing value. Step number 4, handle the missing value. What is the value actually? Handle the missing value. These are all 3 steps you need to understand. We'll see step by step. I'm sure you know how to load the data set. It's a right time checking the missing value. Checking what exactly? Missing value. Get ready. Get ready. I will show you very clearly, sir. Keep in mind that, let us just try to print the data frame. Let us just try to print what exactly? Data frame actually. Now, let us just try to call df dot is an a method. Df dot what exactly? Is an a method. Come on. What exactly I'm doing, We are trying to printing the data frame. Look at me, everyone. We are trying to printing data frame. And in between, we are maintaining some social distance actually, just to understand the output. And here we are calling, is it functional method, sir? How can you say? By using? Nice, sir. You have to understand that point very well. Now let us just try to print this one. Spend here some time. And I want response from you. Get ready. What is the method name we are calling? Sir, if any method starting with the is, if any method starting with the is, it returns Boolean value. It returns what value? Boolean value. We'll see. Very good. Now just try to come here. Indirectly, this method started accessing this data frame. Nothing but this CSV file. Nothing but what exactly? CSV file. It started cross-questioning. Hey, first value. Is it NA? No. That's why false. Am I right? Is it NA? NA in the sense, is it missing value? Is it missing value? No, right? That's why what is the result? False. Is it NA? No, false. Is it NA, sir? Then what is the result? Keep in mind that is NA method returns first of all Boolean value. What value? Where are all missing values available? Where are all missing values available? This method fills with the true. This method fills with what exactly? Where are all no missing value? Then this method fills with what exactly? False. Did you understand? Good. Df dot is NA. is NA. If missing value, then returns what exactly? True. If value exists, if no missing value, tell me false. Did you understand? Good. So you do let me know what is the method name here actually? Is NA. What is the method name? Is NA. Now very very damn sure interview question. Get ready actually, sir. You are loading the data set. This one it is okay. 9.0 I can talk with you. 30.0 we are talking with the number. 5.0 we are speaking with the number. But who need these boolean values, man? False, true, false, true, false, true. Who need this information actually? Ultimately, client will ask. Damn sure interview question. Get ready. Ultimately, client will ask. You do let me know column wise missing value. You do let me know what exactly column wise missing value. Previously, we called one method. What is that method name? Info method. What is that method name? Info method. Then we came across 16 missing value, 16 missing value, 21 missing value. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Now come here. Client may ask a question. Do let me know column wise missing value. Column wise what exactly? Missing value. I mean, what client is expecting, Apple. How many missing values, man? Orange. How many missing values? Next one is very good, man. Banana. How many missing values? Client is asking this one. Then, if you wanted to get the result, what we need to do, programmatically we need to. It's a very simple, sir. Now just try to come here. Here, you just need to apply one method. What is that method name? Dot sum method. What is the method? Yeah. First of all, df dot is na dot sum method. What method? Sum method. Now just try to run this example. Super, sir. Really nice result actually. Whenever you are calling df dot is na sum method, what this method is performing, that sum method is touching here. Is there any missing value? No. Then what is the result? 0. Apple, you can't believe this sum method walk through this total 150 values. Where are all missing values available? It started picking out, started counting actually. Then what is the result, sir? Wow, seriously super. Then what is the orange missing value? 16. What is the banana missing value? 21. Did you understand? Now hold on. If you wanted to calculate manually, if you wanted to calculate what exactly? Manually. Apple, no missing value. Here is one missing value. 1, 2, 3. Man, it takes a lot of time. Am I right? Instead of that one, you need to call a method. What is the method name actually? Tell me the complete syntax. Df dot is na dot sum. One more time. Df dot is na dot sum. Definitely client will ask once you loaded the data set. First of all, check is there any missing values would we have? Definitely we need to call a method. What is that method name? Is na. What is the method name? But is na method gives the result as a boolean values. Gives the results what exactly? But who need boolean values, man? Ultimately, end of the day, I need column wise missing value. I need what exactly? Then we have to call one method. What is that method name? Sum method. What is the method? Sum method. Right. Good. I just wanted to hear from you the total complete code, sir. Get ready. Get ready actually. Is it interesting or boring? If boring, do let me know, sir. In YouTube, I will play one small movie actually. Is it fine for you? Yes. Nice, sir. Let me drink water. Saturday, I have seen one web series actually in Amazon Prime. There is a Indian police. What is that one? Have you seen? Sir, even I'm a human being, right? Even I will watch movies and web series actually. Please don't think like, I'm a robot actually. Let's move on. I just wanted to hear from you. Get ready. The same requirement. First of all, do let me know column wise missing value. Client is asking this one. The very first step is what we need to do. Talk with me, sir. Import pandas as PD. Very good. Df equals to PD dot read underscore CSV fruits one, right? Yeah, very good. Now let us just print the data frame. Always print the data frame, sir. First, always do the first basic operation. Then you can feel more comfortable actually. Yes, successfully we are loading the data frame. Let me tell you, backend one object is created, sir. What created actually? What is that object name? Sir, I will cry. Object name is a means inside of seems to be two letters. Seems to be, but the most powerful object actually. It is holding total 150 rows. Total business it is holding. If you wanted to understand how the business, talk with this DF actually. Are you getting or not? Now I just wanted to check, is there any missing value? Then what is the method? Is and a. Then it returns what exactly? Boolean value. If any method started with is, if any method started with is, it returns always Boolean value. It returns always what exactly? Boolean value. Just try to see. But I don't want Boolean result. I need sum of missing value, column wise missing value. Then you need to call a method. That method name is what exactly? Sum. Very good, sir. You understand very clearly. Very nice. The same program I can still write like this also. Take this one. Result equals to, talk with me, sir. And here what I need to do? Very good, man. You understand very clearly. You guys understand very clearly. Like this also we can write. Okay. Come here. You can write like this. Very simple, sir. Very simple actually. Move on to the next one. Is and a. Is null you can ignore as of now. In real time we are not using. Is null you can ignore. Is and a and is null are the predefined methods in a data frame. Hey man, what is the proof? Though you're telling, first of all, is it functional method? How to prove? Nice, man. You got the point actually. We can access these methods by using a data frame object. By using these methods, we can check missing value exists in data frame or not. If missing values are available, then it returns true. Otherwise, come on, come on. I hope you know these are all stuff actually. But just try to see. Read underscore CSV returning the data frame. Over this data frame, we are calling a method. Method name is a is and a. Is and a method is returning new data frame. Something like a rename. Something like what exactly? Rename. Are you getting? Good, man. Just try to see. Why Boolean values? Because is and a. Don't ask what is Boolean, sir. I will cry. Because Boolean, we all see, that's what the connectivity will be. In Python, if you understand what is a Boolean data type, bull data type, in pandas you can understand actually. Be strong in Python, sir. One small suggestion I'm giving, be strong in Python, right? Is null method. You can ignore this one. I don't like this method. We are not using actually. Both methods work in the same way. Not null method also. Come on. There are mainly three methods, sir. To check missing values, three types of methods would you have? How many methods would you have? Three types of method. The first one is and a. What is the first method? Is and a, using in real time. Real time actually. Next one is df dot is null method. Not using, sir. Not using in real time. One more method, not null. What is the next method? Not null. Not using actually. Don't ask a question. If not using, why they created? I don't know. Maybe the first one is important, sir. Are you getting? Yeah, good. This is very, very important. Not much important. Move on to the next discussion. You can ignore this. This method also you can ignore this. This is quite opposite to is null, sir. Where is and a, where are all giving false, and this method giving what exactly? True actually. You can ignore. Counting the none values in a column wise actually. How to count? Do let me know by using some method. Sir, can I ask you one question? Whenever you are calling this one, this total syntax written what type of object? Very good, sir. What type of object? What is index? Column names. Can I say? What is index? Column name. What is the values? 0, 16. Did you understand? I hope you understand. Very good. Oh, this is important. Oh, hold on. This is very, very important. Do let me know. Column wise, first of all, what is the data frame size actually? What is the data frame total rows and columns? Do let me know. Rows and what exactly? Rows and columns. Tell me, sir. 150 into 4 actually. Very good. 150 rows and 4 columns actually. Good. Now client is asking, check the missing value. Check what exactly? Check missing value. If client is asking checking the missing value, how to do? Df dot is na. Client need column wise count. Client need what exactly? Column wise count actually. Then do let me know. Df dot is na dot some. Very good. Some it returns some numbers actually. Am I right or not, sir? But sometimes client asks, man, I don't want numbers. I need percentage wise. I need what exactly? Percentage. Consider total values are the 100. Out of 100, how much percent data is missing? Did you understand? Good. Now let me tell you. If you wanted to know, now look at the result here actually. Now look at the result. Previously, how many apples actually missing? 16. Client again cross question 16 out of what? Maybe we need to reply again 150. Then it may be 200. It may be 300. I mean, there is a counter question here. There is what exactly? Counter question means follow up question. Are boss 16 values is missing, it is okay. But total how many? You need to respond. But if you show this result, client will understand very clearly. Okay, total 100 apples. Total how many apples? 100 apples actually. 90% business is successful. 10% business is what exactly? Dull actual. I mean to say that 10%. 10% people are not buying. Orange also same. Banana is what exactly? 14%. What is that one actually? Where there is more business actually for apple and orange. Where there is a less business. Next time onwards, what I need to import more and what I need to export less actually. Bananas less, apple and orange more. This is the analysis, sir. This is the analysis actually. You can't believe early morning you are going to the hotel, you are having idli, vada, bhaji actually. They will do the analysis per day. How many idlis are selling out actually? Don't ask them direct owner actually. They will kick you out actually. Keep in mind that they will apply the analysis based on the population only. They will prepare the idli actually. Are you getting or not, sir? Good. Everywhere data analysis, man. If you wanted to get this kind of result also, if you wanted to get what exactly this kind of results, apple, orange, banana, you know, so simple, nothing is there. Just come here, apply some method. S into 100 divided by length of a. Come on, man. Applying percentage rule actually. What rule? Percentage rule. Come on, you can apply this one. I would like to say S equals to df dot is na dot some. Very good. Now I just wanted to know percentage level. Then what I need to do? Do let me know, sir. S into 100 divided by length of df. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Now print of what exactly? Per. What error, sir? Why? Oh, sorry, sir. Where? Let's run. Let's run. I'm sure I have confidence. Just right. Length function, right, sir? This is the parameter. Did you understand? Good, good. Cool, cool, cool. Very nice. Let's move to the discussion. S equals to, we are getting the result. We are getting what exactly? Result. Over this one, I just need a percentage wise. Client always need this kind of report, man. This kind of what exactly? Report actually. Did you understand? Now, out of 100, apple, 90% business is done. Orange, 90% business is done. Banana, just say 86% business is done actually. Did you understand? Team, are you with me? Good, man. Take this example. What is the time? 6:30. Here onwards, actual cinema is seriously very interesting. Please focus. Give me 1 minute offline team. Let me talk with online team. Online team. Just now I started watching your chart, sir. Are you with me? Can I get a response, please? Very quickly. Online team, please. It's a two-way communication. You should respond. Thank you. Let's move on. In a real-time project, in a real-time project, The very first one is load the data set. What is the first step actually? Load the data set. Very good. Second step is checking the missing value. Second step is what exactly? Checking the missing value. Checking what exactly? Missing value. This is seriously very good. Once you are checking the missing value, client may ask here count wise, column wise count actually. Column wise what exactly? Column wise count. I mean column wise count. Client may ask percentage wise also. What is that one, sir? Percentage wise also. I hope you know how to do this one. Good, sir. Now here onwards, you came across there is a missing value. Now here the scenario will be if no missing value, no headache. All values would you have actually. If no missing value, we no need to apply any handling technique actually. Good. Here, if condition, what is the condition? You know, have no missing values. What exactly, sir? No missing values. Missing values in data set. If there is no missing value, life is happy. What exactly, sir? I mean to say that we no need to handle. Conclusion of the story, we no need to handle. Am I right or not, sir? Best example, if I attended the exam, then teacher no need to handle my mocks actually. Am I right or not? Good. Now what is the next scenario actually? Else condition. What is the condition? Else actually. Else means what exactly? Any idea? Man having missing value. What is this one? Now here the game will start actually. We need to learn. We need to learn how to handle missing value. How to what exactly? Handle missing value. Did you understand the pattern first of all? Missing values actually. Conclusion of the story. The first step is load the data set. Second step is checking the missing value. Now here in third step, there are two things actually. In a third point, there are two things actually. No missing values. Then no need to handle. No need to handle actually. Am I right or not? Now missing values would you have? What would you have actually, sir? Missing values would you have? Hold on. I wanted to write like something like a points actually. Next one is what exactly? B. Having missing value. Having what exactly? Missing. Learn how to handle. Learn what exactly? How to handle actually. Very good. It's the right time how to handle. Yeah, let's move on to the discussion. Can somebody talk with me? Can somebody? You do let me know. Till now, what are all methods? What are all data frame methods I covered actually? From the starting onwards. From the starting onwards. Tell me. Very good. Head method. Next one is tail method. Next one. Very good. Next one. Next one. 1 minute. One. Very good, sir. Very good. Mallikarjun. Sir, you have to remember all these methods actually. Next one is what is that? DF dot describe method. Next one is DF dot. Come again. N unique actually. Okay, N unique method. Next one is DF dot. What method? Rename method. Very good actually. Next one is DF dot. Empty is an attribute, I guess. Am I right? Yeah, good. Very good. No worries. No worries. Even if you say wrong, also no worries actually. DF dot is NA method. Next one is DF dot is NA dot what exactly? Some method. Now what you need to understand is learning data frame is nothing but learning the methods. Remember the methods. Mug up the methods. Grind the methods actually. You have to remember, sir. There is no way actually. Keep in mind that now the next topic is handling missing value. What is the next topic actually? Handling missing value. Arey man, nothing is there. Again, you need to call the method. What we need to do? Again, we need to call the method. See, if there is a requirement, definitely to fulfill that requirement, there is a method. You should understand actually what method I need to call, how that method is working. Did you understand? The pattern is like this, sir. Once client have given the data, if client is asking some requirement, definitely for that requirement there is a method. That method you need to catch actually. Done. If you're able to recognize that method, your task is done actually. Otherwise, first 2 minutes you need to cry. Next we need to start writing coding actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Yeah, how to handle missing values? You know, there are 3 methods. How many methods? The first method name is drop NA. What is the first method? Drop NA. So we can drop all missing values. We can drop what exactly? All missing value. Next method name is a fill NA. What is the next method name? Fill NA. Third method name is df dot replace method. What method? Df dot replace method. There are mainly three methods. If you this one is using in real time, damn sure important. 5 stars actually, 5 stars, and this one is 3 stars actually. This one is no stars. Did you understand? I mean to say that not that much important. Come on, talk with me. There are three methods. First method name is a drop NA. Next method name is a third method name is a sir drop NA method. What exactly it will do? You know, in a row level, if at least one missing value is there, now open the data set. Can I say here missing value would you have? Hmm? What drop NA method will do? You know, drop NA method will delete the complete row. Drop NA method having no mercy. What is that one actually? No mercy. In my childhood, there is a math faculty. His name is a Sudhakar sir. Still I remembered actually. In my childhood, there is a math faculty. Math faculty name is a Sudhakar sir. He used to give assignments on daily basis. Sir, if you are not doing in that assignments actually, still, you know, if you want, I will show here actually. Still, that marks is available in my shoulder actually. He used to beat like anything. No mercy. Same thing like that. Whenever I'm seeing this method, I still remember my faculty name. Drop NA method, delete the row. Drop NA method. During interview, if anyone is asking what is a drop NA, don't reply Sudhakar sir. Did you understand? Conclusion of the story. Drop NA method, if at least one value is missing, it completely drops actually. Let me show you practically. What is the next method name actually? Fill NA. What is the next method? Are Daniel, where are all missing values would you have? You do let me know, sir. With what value I can fill actually? Very good, sir. What value I can fill? 0. Assuming that instead of 0, I fill with 1 actually. Then I have to give money from my pocket actually. At end of the day, we need to give money to whom actually? Owner. Am I right or not, sir? That's what you need to understand, right? Are you getting everyone? Yeah, yeah. More fun, sir. Learning data science is, you know, you have to understand step by step actually. Let me drink water. Let's move on. Yeah. All right. So there is a method. Method name is called as a drop NA method and handling the missing value. Drop NA is a predefined method in a data frame. Drop NA is what exactly? Predefined method in a data frame. We can access drop NA method by using what exactly? Data frame object. This method drops rows whereas at least one value is what exactly? Missing. We'll see. Let me see. Let me see actually. Let me show you. First of all, always do the basic example. The basic example is handling missing value, right? First load the data set. Load what exactly? Data set. Yeah, come on, tell me. Import pandas as PD. Import pandas as what exactly? PD. df equals to PD dot read underscore CSV fruits 1 dot CSV file. Now print of what exactly? df. Yeah, you should not apply drop NA directly. First, you have to check. Even though you know, you have to show the report actually. Hey man, there is a missing value. If there is a missing value, then only go for drop NA method. Then only go for what exactly? Showing this one to the client, not a good pattern. We have to tell with the count. Be clear. You can tell to the client, hey, client, you know, orange having missing value. Then client may ask a follow-up. I mean, if the one who have given requirement, he may ask a follow-up question. This question will be, let me know how many missing value. Then you have to check that one. How to check, sir? Any idea? Is NA. What exactly? Is NA dot what exactly? Some. Then you can explain to the client, hello boss, you know, these are all missing value. These are all what exactly? Missing value. What are all missing values? Do let me know. Apple having missing value, orange having missing value, banana having missing value, all columns having missing value. Now it's a right time. You can call, you can initiate actually. There is a method. Method name is called as what exactly, you know? Let me talk about this, the df1. What is this one, sir? Df1. There is a method name is called as a drop na. What is that method name? The method name drop na. Where are all missing values would you have? Arey man, drop that actually. Drop that row. No mercy. Then this method returns one more data frame. This method returns what exactly? Something like a rename. Very good. Something like what exactly? I don't want new data frame. I wanted to perform changes on the existing data frame. What I need to do? Super, sir. You guess the point actually. Come on. Print what exactly, df2. And print this one also what exactly? Df1. Maintain some. Sorry, sir. Now just try to come here. Yeah. Hold on. Can somebody prove? Can somebody prove all missing values dropped from df1 and assign into the new object actually? How to prove? Let me repeat one more time, sir. Do let me know how to prove this is having missing values or not actually, and not actually. Any idea? Yeah, very good, sir. Somebody already responded. Is na dot what exactly? Sum. Okay, cool. Same thing like that. Just now we handle missing value. It is returning another object. How to prove that df2 there is no missing value? Very good, sir. Now take the same line and instead of df1, what I need to do? Hey, did you understand? Here missing value. Here what exactly? No missing value. Means all are, it should be all, or it should be zeros actually. Now, if you want, I will explain one more time. Look at my screen. Come on. Yeah, see here actually. First to df1 missing values. We are accessing df1 and we are calling a method. What is our method name? Drop na. Drop na method is giving the result as a df2. Now it's a right time. By using this df2, let us access is na. Let us access what exactly? Then it indirectly you need to understand. What you need to understand? No missing value. What you need to understand? No missing value. Did you understand? Now if you wanted to see the data frame, you can print the data frame actually. Sir, I will explain one more time. Hold on. df2. You can print the data frame df2. Now please understand, sir, the great business logic. While looking at this one, you need to understand total how many customers actually? 150. If at least one value is available, if at least what exactly? One value is available, that row dropped actually. Conclusion of the story, out of 150, 105 customers all bought all fruits. Can I say that one? So and so customer, he bought apples, he bought orange, he bought what exactly? Banana. So and so customer, he bought what exactly? Do you think already he bought actually? Oh, sir, what is this one? Apple, orange, banana. Conclusion of the story, drop na method will give insight. Where are all, I mean to say that, where are all values would you have actually? Are you getting everyone? Yeah, good. Now, 1 minute, sir. Data frame having 150 rows. Yeah, I would like to say, means conclusion of the story, 150 customers came. df1 dot hold on, sir, please. If anyone having any question, let us make it this one in a some for your better understanding way, so that I can feel my ego will satisfy actually. I would like to say apples, how many missing? 16. Orange, how many missing? 16. Banana, how many, sir? 21. Conclusion of the story, what I can say, I would like to say 16 customers didn't buy. Didn't what exactly? Can I say that one? Didn't buy. And here also I would like to say, these are all important points, sir. Good. Now, df1, sorry, very good. 21 customers. Am I right? Yeah. df2 equals to df1 dot drop na. What is the method name? Drop na. I mean to say that now no missing value. Can I say this one? No missing value. Indirectly it will give insight actually. What is the insight? Now the total result is, now what is the total result? The result is it is giving 105. What it is giving means, what you need to understand, all these 105 customers bought, any idea? Very good, man. Bought GHT, all fruits. This one you need to understand, man. Indirectly, drop NA method giving insight, giving an idea. Client suddenly is asking, it is okay, we are having missing value, you are handling missing value, but I need a result. What is the result actually? I wanted to know the result. All customers bought the food. All customers brought the food actually, fruits actually. Then you need to call a method. What is that method name? Drop NA. What is that method name, sir? Drop NA method. Drop NA method. Whenever you are calling this one, no mercy. If at least one value it is having, it will drop the total row. It will drop what exactly? Total. Did you understand? Come on. Let me talk with online team. It's a right information. There is no point of inaccurate information actually. Hold on, sir. This is the one of the point actually. We can do lot of operations. That's what, sir. Step by step we can do actually. Our friend started asking a question. These are all client related questions actually. Arey man, it is okay. 45 customers, what kind of they bought actually? I mean to say, they bought a banana, or else combination of banana orange, or else combination apple and orange actually. These are all things we'll see step by step. Are you clear, everyone? Good, we'll see. We'll see. What I can say, of course, boss. Of course, actually. I mean to say that here we are losing the data. Here, what exactly? We are losing the data. I don't want to lose the data. Then go for fill NA. Go for what exactly? Fill NA actually. Guys, are you getting? Good. Sir, removing is a common operation, even in our lifetime also. Suddenly, some quarrel will happen with your friend actually. There are two things it may happen. First one is, either you can block the number. Help me, sir. Or else you can delete the number. Exactly. Exactly, here we are dropping actually. Are you getting, everyone? I mean, these are all our even real life examples also. All right, move to the next discussion. Good. What is the method name here actually? Drop NA. Drop NA. Good. Get ready. Can somebody respond? What is output? One more time. Last time. Let us run this one. Nice, man. Very nice actually. Get ready. Drop NA method having no? Yeah. One more time. No? Mercy actually. I like that word, sir. Next one is what? Yeah. Here we are checking. We are getting the df2, and over the df2 we are performing checking operation. No missing value. No missing value. Am I right? Good. Next one. Wow, interesting, sir. Seriously interesting. Good. Here, what is the topic you need to understand? Converting float column type into what exactly? Into data type. This point you need to understand. Now, as usual, come here and you can just try to delete these are all things actually. Delete these are all things. Conclusion of the story. We are importing the library, loading the data set. Data set may have some missing value. Though it is having missing value, I already cross verified by calling isNA some method. It's a right time client is asking, handle the missing value. First operation is, let us drop all missing value. Then you will understand total data. At least all cells having the data. All cells having what exactly? Data. What is the data frame name? DF2 actually. Good. Now print the data frame. Good. Now do let me know. Let us take a apple. Let us take what exactly? Apple actually. Hold on. Apple. What is the result, sir? First, what is the result actually? Do let me know. What is the result? 12.0. Sir, have you ever bought? You went to shop actually. You're asking, Arey man, I need 12.5 apple actually. Will they give? They will beat man. Are you getting or not? Conclusion of this story, there is no point of value when you're talking about the fruits actually. Floating value not recommended. Floating is recommended for kind of some salary, price of the product. These are all it is okay. Conclusion of the story, what we need to do, this is the floating value. What value, sir? Floating value. Let us learn how to, we need to convert into what exactly? Integer value. Let us learn how to convert actually. Did you understand? Good. Let me tell you. First of all, go back to the Python. Go back to what exactly, sir? Python. Now just try to come here. A equals to, let's take a one floating value, 10.2. I just wanted to print this one and at the same time check the data type actually. What is the function name? What is the function name? Type actually. Print this one. Yeah. Now take this result. Hey, I wanted to convert this one floating into integer. This one, what exactly? Convert float to what exactly, sir? Float to integer. We can convert very easily, sir. How to convert, there is a one function. Function name is called as a integer. Here, what I need to provide? That's it. Now we have to print here, and this is what exactly? B. This is what exactly? B. Let me tell you, unknowingly you became programmer actually. I don't know either you got that vibes or not actually. Before you are joining with my course, maybe your Python knowledge I can give 0. Who already know Python, that is okay. But once you join the course, you are talking about the function, method, logic actually, slowly by slowly, right? Creating this kind of examples also, programming knowledge really required, sir. Are you getting? Good. Now do let me know. In Python, this is what exactly, this is not a pandas. This is what exactly, sir? This is the Python, this is not a pandas. In Python, we do have a function. Function name is called as a int. Function name is called as what exactly? The purpose of int function is take the floating value, convert into integer. Convert into what exactly? What it done, it cut the value. It is just try to trim the value, deleted the value. What value it is deleted? This is the floating value. This is what exactly? Integer value. Any questions here? No questions, I guess. Very good. Take this output. Now just try to come here. Sir, now please focus. What you need to focus, go back and get the data set. Where is the example? Get the data set. We don't have a time. That's what I'm just trying to writing. Print df dot what exactly? Drop NA. Sir, I need your help actually. Tell me. I need your help. Tell me. df2 equals to df1 dot drop NA. Drop what exactly? NA. Get ready. I have a question. There is a method. Method calling we are assigning to variable means. Come again. Come again. Yeah, very good. But why? Why we are assigning? Any idea? Come again. Come again. Hold on. Oh, I'm sorry. One by one. You tell me, sir. New data frame. Okay, your answer. DF actually. I need one. See, if your all your answer is 90% valid actually, but there is a one word, man. Exactly. That point is required actually. Why we are assigning another variable? Because backend it is having return statement. Backend it is having what exactly? That is important actually. That is a technical word. Did you understand? Hold on. Let me prove practical. Hold on, hold on. Let us go back to the function. Go back to what exactly? Function. DEF. Let us take a balance and a print of what exactly? Hi. Written 100 value. What value? 100 value. Yeah. B equals to. Am I right? Print of what exactly? Why we are assigning function calling to variable? Because having return statement. Same thing like that. Method also having the return statement. Method also having what exactly? Let me prove practically. Proving this one practically guts required, sir. Please focus on this. Go back. Now let me prove one method actually. Let me prove what exactly? One method. Now just try to come here. Same example. Class Access Bank. What bank actually? Access Bank. DF balance self print. Hello. My balance is something like that. Now just try to come here. Return 100 actually. Get ready. What is the class name? What is the method name? Balance. Get ready. Can I call balance directly? No. How to call? A equals to Access Bank. Do let me know. Yeah. A dot balance. A dot what exactly? Now hold on. If a method having return statement like a function, if a method having return statement like a function, we need to assign to variable. We need to assign to what exactly? Exactly. Now just try to print this B actually. Just try to print what exactly, sir? B. Just try to print the B. Execute this example. What is output you are getting? High and 100 actually. Now the same line, how you need to compare? df2 equals to, do let me know, df1 dot drop NA, like this, that comparison required, man. Whenever you are calling drop NA method, why we are assigning to the variable? Because backend drop NA having what exactly? Return. Same thing like a balance. How would you have actually? Okay. You no need to understand this much depth actually. It takes time for your better understanding. Yes, are you getting? Did you understand? Right. Now let us have a small, let us raise the one question here. You may ask a question. Here the point will be method is returning 100 value. What I can write, sir, here actually? Method is returning 100 value, and delete this one. Now here your question will be, what is the question? Why we are assigning drop NA method to the variable? To what exactly, sir? Variable. The answer will be because tell me, drop NA method having return statement in backend. Did you understand? Good. Now just try to come here, take this line, and the same thing like that. df2 equals to, talk with me, df1 dot drop NA. Hold on. See that term, sir. What I done? I made you strong in fundamental. Do let me know. Drop NA is what exactly? Method. Balance is what exactly? Method. Simple. df1 is what exactly? Object. A is what exactly? Object. df2 is a variable. B is a, that's what. You do one thing, this example do practice thoroughly actually, then you will understand why here I am assigning with the variable. Why here I am assigning with what exactly? Variable. Did you understand? But for your kind information, during interview no one will not ask, hey, why we are assigning this one to variable? Why? Because that is not important actually. But there is a standard, man. If you learn till this level, no one cannot touch you in a subject actually. You should know the reason actually. Whenever you are assigning, why you ascend actually, it is hitting me, sir. I'm sorry. Are you getting everyone? Got 6:50. I didn't expect it actually. Time is running like anything. Where are we? Converting floating column type into what exactly? Integer data. Can I explain this one tomorrow? Is it fine for you? I'm not in a hurry way. We can convert this one. I will explain this one tomorrow. Offline team unable to respond as a, yeah, Mallikarjun end of this at last he written, but Ayesha 649. Yeah, I got a right response at maybe Ayesha responded nicely. Sriram sir, why? Because why it is object, let me tell you the reason. Backend all values are considering with the string actually. would you have a discussion why whenever you are deleting the value, why it is the string value, why not other value? I will explain, sir. I will explain. Please inform team to upload video every day actually. uh, I'm coming to this point only. The point is, please inform team to, yeah, let me tell you what is the today date. Do let me know. Tell me, sir. 29th. Assuming that 29th session is done, then in a cloud server, actually, please be silent. In a cloud server, when they will upload, they takes, they will take 24 hours time, sir. How long time actually? 24 hours time actually. I mean, so the management, they are taking 24 hours time, but we have to, please be patient. See, within the 24 hours, if you're not, if the video is not getting uploading, you have to drop a mail actually. But anyway, before of you, let me talk with, this never be happen. They're supposed to upload on daily basis actually. Raise your hand, how many of you have chosen recorded sessions? No offline, okay. Online team, what about the issue? Is other guys also getting? First of all, do you know our course is, first of all, let me tell you, offline team looking at me very seriously. Course two types, sir. Course what exactly? Two types. The first one is a, this one also I will explain like a session actually. With, yeah, without videos. What is the first one? Without videos. And the second one is what exactly? With videos actually. Second one is what exactly? With videos. With videos. This is some X amount we need to pay, some X money actually. And this what exactly? Somewhat Y money. X plus. Very good, sir. X plus money we need to pay. uh, I'm sure if you guys are belongs to this one, this is okay. You no need to understand what I'm talking actually. But if anyone is belongs to this one, you have to talk with admin, or else I will help with you. Let me tell you, going for with video, I mean, I'm not giving a kind of some advertisement actually. Helpful for the revision. Helpful for what exactly? The revision. That is a small suggestion I can give, but I never force you. I never force you. That is up to you actually. Okay. All right. All right. Let us close this discussion. We done for today's session, sir. How is the today's session? Are you getting? Yeah, yeah. Good, good. Every day you will get more and more interesting, sir. But let me give a small suggestion. What is a suggestion? Learning pandas means now you understand. Learning about what exactly, sir? Learning about methods. Learning about what exactly? That's what you need to understand. Like in real time, method can bring the result. You no need to write your logic actually. Let us take a, there is a lower case. I wanted to convert into upper actually. What I need to do, sir? Yeah, we need to call what exactly? Means indirectly, backend who is working, method is helping you to get the result. That point you need to catch actually. Methods are helping. What is helping? Unfortunately, if there is no method, we need to write our own code actually. Where are all lower keys is available, we need to map with uppercase. I can write. I mean, that takes some time for you. We have to create a dictionary. Key should be lowercase, value should be uppercase. Like that also we can do actually. But instead of writing our own code, go for the method. Go for what exactly, sir? Did you understand? Good. Fine. We done for today's session. Let us just try to upload material, running notes, data set. Three things I need to upload. I need your support actually. Please be patient. See. Uh, Online team, don't leave the session. Just hold on for 2 minutes actually. End of the session, I will give a small update. I will give a small update actually. End of the session, please hold on. Online team. Let us just to handling missing value. I already uploaded. Then here what I need to upload, sir? Yeah, running nodes and data set, right? Come here. Where is the data set? NIT 530 data analysis. Sorry, sir. Go back. Yeah. Running nodes. Running nodes, perfect. Next one is data set actually. Am I right? Go back. fruits1.csv. Yeah, let us upload zip file actually. Mm. There is one small update. What is update? Who are all unable to understand my session? Unable to understand what exactly? My session. Yeah, of course, faculty to faculty, there is explanation is a quite different actually. Recently one batch started. One batch started with sir name is Senapati sir. Senapati sir actually. And the batch timing I'm not sure actually. Just 4 days it was done actually. And on 31st, one more batch is going to starting. Faculty name is SRK sir actually. Sivaramakrishna. 31st it is going to start. Great opportunity. Who are all unable to, sir, it's not like there is no force actually. Though you have registered with me, close the door, you have to listen to my session. It was not like that. Come on, feel free. If you are unable to understand my session, try with other faculties also. Are you getting? Good. Keep in mind that 31st, there is one more batch for SRK sir actually. One more batch is going to happen. The timings will be morning 9, I guess. I'm not sure. Timings I have to check with the admin actually. Did you understand? But I'm sure everyone is understanding. Are you getting? This is just information for you, I guess. But still, it is a open discussion. There is no force actually. Keep in mind that. All right. I have uploaded all things. Anything is pending? Fine, sir. We done for today's session. Don't miss tomorrow's session. Take care, please. Okay, please. Online team. We done for today's session.